Cop that. Verbal abuse is long, I stop that. Back out the mash and drop that. Shot that. If you want Roger, man, got that. Man in TD, smash it and dump that. Chop that. Countryside with the guaps and jump in. Pics with wrong, man, drop that.
Yeah, is that you?
Yeah.
Or what does it say?
Be brave.
Will it actually say be brave?
No, it says fuck you. I think what he's saying is true. Women need a man and women should stay home and do nothing. But all these feminists want to come up like, I love being, oh my God, feminist and independent woman. Like, no. Wouldn't life just be easier if the man did all the work and the women just stay looking cute all day?
What people like? They don't work like that anymore.
Yours and I'll follow you.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
He probably think you lying.
No, I'm not. I'm about to do it right now.
Don't talk that.
I'm waiting.
Oh.
I'll follow you back.
Alright.
Alright, I'm about to follow you.
What's your name?
Who?
You.
No comment. You two look too old for me.
No, I'm 15. I'm not even. I'm 15.
Okay, well, there you go.
No, how old are you?
I'm 15.
Yeah, so what's your name?
Bro, not my nose right as
Illinois, what's your name?
It's my IG.
What?
I said my IG.
Josiah. Josiah.
Yeah, Josiah. Amido.
Boom.
Hello.
Oh, you're from the United Kingdom?
Nah. I'm from the US.
You make music?
Huh?
Do you make music?
Yeah.
Can you rap?
Can I rap?
Yeah, or
Like a
sing
freestyle.
or whatever.
Or make beats, what you do?
I like freestyle a little bit.
Okay,
Good.
drop a beat. Let's diss track.
We
You
wanna
diss me,
hear
I
it.
diss you. Let's go.
But I need a beat.
Okay,
Okay.
put one on. Let's go. I'll make one.
Play a beat. Go on.
Oh, I can't play a beat. 10 toes down. Oh, no, that one's sad. I can't diss nobody on that. Are you diss me, I diss you.
Yeah, go on.
And 10-4.
Oh, who's starting?
You got music?
I can't start. I'm stuck at Black Belt. First of all, Black Belt.
I have a beat. Yeah. Oh, this beat. Is it this beat?
Cameron, right there. Who's going first?
Oh,
You
you.
gotta make-
Go.
You
Go.
go first. You go first.
You go first.
No,
You go
it's
first.
not.
No, you go first.
Oh, me. Okay.
That's first. Okay, let go.
I can't hear the beat. Oh no, I can. Alright. Look, listen. You got 2 earrings. Get off my screen. You got 2 earrings. Get off my screen.
Oh my God, where you from?
I'm from yeah.
Your background coming down.
Yeah, don't watch that. I'm from the UK.
Oh.
Where you from?
I'm from St. Louis.
Oh, chat said you're fine.
Who?
Chat said you're fine.
Oh, thank you, Chad.
No. I said you're fine.
Oh, thank you then.
You got IG?
Your name Yeah, I'm gonna drop it in the chat.
Might as well.
So what's your YouTube name gonna be? Pulling Fine Girls on Monkey? Huh? Or you live?
I'm live.
Hey,
Hey, drop your IG though.
Chad.
I'm gonna send
Coming
it to
from
you.
the US. I'm coming from the US.
What state?
It's you.
What state you from?
Missouri. But we don't claim Missouri. Cause it's a redneck.
Oh.
Yeah. What part of the UK you from? London?
Yeah.
You gonna fly me out one day?
Soon.
Girl.
Alright, cool. Add me back.
That nigga not gonna fly you. You gonna fly
Shit.
just a random ass man on Monkey. What the hell?
Don't
No,
mind.
I'm gonna fire
You gonna
you.
let niggas fly you out to lunch.
Lily, I'm just fucking playing. Damn.
Damn, bro. Why you so tight for? Damn, bro. My nigga. My nigga. Come on, say it with me, bro. Hey, bro, I'm a caller. I'm a caller.
Makala.
I'm a caller. I'm a caller, kuta. Bro, who you talking to, bro? Say that again, bro. Say it again. Say it again, bro. Say it again. Hey, bro, look at your doodoo plaits on your head, bro. That's what I thought.
Yep.
Make America great again.
I know.
Get all them out of our country.
I know, right? What?
Exactly. Too many. My nigga. My nigga. Come on, my nigga. You gotta say it with me, bro. My nigga.
I'm not racist, bro.
No, it's not racist. I'ma say it's my fault. It's my fault. I wear my heart on my sleeve. Don't give me gas.
Fries and chicken, side of biscuit, that ain't enough for me. Want all of that grease, she said there's no mac and cheese. Give me some mash and gravy, I don't want greens. Diet soda, all that right there, gon' complete my order. I'm gon' drive up to the front, yeah. Run it up, yeah. Long line, don't get no fault, yeah. Just want my lunch, yeah. Chicken better be crunchy, yeah. Really crunchy, yeah. You know that I'm hungry, yeah. Take all my money, yeah. Fries and chicken, 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 fries and chicken. Just give me a cake, give me a cake.